Welcome to El Camino College's Student Health Center, where you'll find an integrated approach to healthcare. We have doctors, nurse practitioners, registered nurses, licensed clinical psychologists, and chiropractic providers available to assess and treat the whole body and mind. The Student Health Center is solely supported by your student health fee, and all of our services are available to students who have paid the health fee and are currently enrolled and attending at least one class. Seeing a provider is free, but some services, such as select medications and lab tests, are available for a small fee that will be discussed with students beforehand. During the fall and spring semesters, we have health events that connect students to community organizations. This allows students the opportunity to learn about specific topics, such as substance abuse prevention, nutrition, mental health, stress reduction, and much more. We also have resources available right outside our office. Our friendly Health Center student workers can be found just outside the Health Center to answer your questions and to provide you with health resources. We strive for students to utilize the medical and psychological services conveniently located here on campus. Workshops and community outreach programs sponsored by Student Health Services throughout the academic year are also offered in order to achieve and maintain optimum health and well-being. For more information, please visit our website.